Boxing.
Okay, let's do it. Do it.
Right off the hop, I got Buyer's Remorse.
Oh, what's that for?
Game of Thrones figures. Something tells me nobody's gonna want these.
Unless they're really cool.
Yeah, it shows up here now that is pretty much dead. Anyways, you got what's her name?
Ooh. Jeez, these actually are pretty,
That guy.
for you, Game of Thrones fans, these are actually pretty nice looking. McFarlane does do a mean action figure, doesn't he? Yeah, of course. Jon Snowy. Snowy John. Ooh. And his younger sister. Oh, no.
We'll see how they go.
But yeah, geez, they're nice looking anyways, at least. You know. That's something, right? Okay. Dig into it here. Let me push these to the side there. Okay.
Hey.
What do you got? Woohoo.
Buddy from One Piece.
Okay. That Puffy Luffy guy or whatever his name is. Monkey DeLuffy.
One big ass John Wick figure.
Oh, Johnny Wick. Made a dive. Okay. Okay. Johnny Wick. Oh, geez, he keeps tipping over.
Hang him up.
God, what is it with you, John? He's just not he's off balanced. Anyway, okay, go ahead.
I'm cool. Cthulhu mug.
Look at this. Now that is cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Elric, yeah, right on, okay. And and a nice box full of paper.
Last but not least.
Excellent.
Feels light.
Yeah, it actually was pretty light.
Oh, there's lots of paper. Yay!
It's all in mint condition paper too. Don't tell me that's the only thing in there.
No, restock on Venom.
Okay, Venom.
And
Another Venom.
And what?
Another Venom.
3 Venoms.
Okay.
And that's kind of cool.
Cthulhu.
Cthulhu week mug and a figure.
Now that is really, really cool. Man.
And last but not least.
Okay, here we go. Oh,
Okay. This is actually the top.
this is what?
Should be.
Oh, Batman's first appearance. Okay. I think it is a restock, isn't it? That's the classic with the purple gloves.
Yeah, I think we already had that.
Oh yeah. Although I don't think he was. I don't think he had his arms
I
folded.
don't think he did either. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that is a new one. Yeah, sweet. Okay.
What we got?
Well, hey.
Better than nothing.
See you in time for Pick of the Week.
Sounds good.
Okay. Thanks. Cthulhu.